In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button in Systemi.io, and it should only take about 5 minutes. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to streamline your process, this should be a straightforward task. So let's dive right in. First, you want to open your browser and log into your System.io account. You'll do this by entering your login credentials on their website's login page. Once you've successfully logged in, your dashboard will greet you with various options. Now go ahead and click on the sign in button if you haven't already. This will take you directly into your main workspace where all the magic happens. From here you'll see several tabs and options to navigate. But today we're focusing on adding a button. Next, move your mouse over to the website section in the navigation bar. Hovering over this will reveal a drop down menu with more options. You'll want to click on Sales Funnels from this menu. This section is where you'll manage and modify your sales funnel pages, and it's the perfect spot to add your button. Once you've accessed your sales funnels, take a look at the left panel. This is where you'll find the elements you can incorporate into your web page. Simply find the button element. This is done by selecting it with your mouse, and then it's as easy as dragging and dropping it onto the section of the page where you'd like it to appear. With your button now in place, the next step is customization. Click on the settings button associated with your new button element. This will open up a menu full of settings you can tweak to your liking. Here you have the chance to modify the text displayed on your button. Whether it's buy now, learn more, or something else entirely, make sure it's clear and concise to match its purpose. Beyond text, you can also design the button to fit your brand's aesthetic. Play around with the button's color, the font style and size, and whether or not it has rounded corners. It's all up to your stylistic preferences. Perhaps most importantly, you need to decide on the button's action. What happens when someone clicks it? You have a few options. You can set it to submit a form on the current page, open a URL, take the user to the next step in your sales funnel, or even trigger a pop-up window. Choose the action that best aligns with your sales strategy. Once you've customized everything to your satisfaction, make sure you click Save Changes. This final step ensures that all the hard work and fine-tuning you've done isn't lost. And that's it, you've successfully added and customized a button in Systemi.io. With these straightforward steps, you can enhance your page, making it more interactive and conversion friendly. Thanks for watching and happy funnel building.